Welcome to the Paths of Ascension Beginner's Meditation course. Hi there. Over the next 4 weeks, I'm going to show you a really simple way of getting started on a daily meditation practice. Learning to meditate is like learning any skill. You will need to practice it every day, and it becomes easier the more you practice and the better you get. It's usually a lot easier if you have a teacher or a coach. Well, the good news is, that's where I come in. I will teach and guide you through the process, so don't worry. You are in good hands. I'll take you through the basics, and very soon, you will be on your way to experiencing the positive benefits a daily meditation practice will have on you. Don't worry if you haven't done anything like this before. It's a very straightforward technique, and I'm going to talk you through every step of the way. All you need to do is to sit back and relax, and just allow the body and mind to unwind. So, right now I will just like you to take a moment to get comfortable. It doesn't matter if you are sitting on a chair, or on the floor, or whatever suits you best. I prefer sitting on a chair, I find it more comfortable. So while making yourself comfortable in a seated position, make sure your back is straight and upright, with the back of your hands rested on your lap, or your thigh, and your feet flat on the ground. I'd like you to begin with your eyes open, not looking at one particular thing. Just taking in the space around you. Nice soft focus with the eyes. And just keeping the eyes open for a moment. Just take in a couple of big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose, and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, just noticing how the chest expands, as the lungs fill with air. And noticing how the body softens each time you exhale. And just with these first few breaths, doing it loud enough so that you can actually hear the breaths. And breathing in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Feel the cold air pass through your nostrils as you breathe in. And with the next out breath, just gently closing the eyes. And feeling the weight of the body as it presses down against the chair or the floor beneath you. Starting to notice the sensation of the soles of the feet, just resting on the floor. And just feeling the weight of the hands and the arms resting on your legs or on your lap. So just bringing the mind into the body, just starting to become more aware of physical senses. Starting to notice any sounds around you. It's really tempting to see or to view sounds as an obstacle to inner peace. We are actually going to use them in this exercise. So just starting to notice the different sounds around you. And then just bringing the attention back to the body again. So just checking in with the body. Notice how it feels. Normally we are so busy doing other things that we are not really aware of how the body feels. So we are gonna start at the top of the head. And just gently scan downwards. Just noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Also noticing any areas that feel particularly relaxed, at ease. So just gently scanning down through the body. Not trying to change anything, but just building up a picture of how the body feels. Don't worry if the mind wanders. Just gently bring the attention back to the body as you continue to scan down towards the toes. Now as you scan down through the body, you've probably already noticed that as the body breathes, it creates a rising and falling sensation. So for some people it's felt in the chest, others in the diaphragm, and some people the stomach. Doesn't matter where it is. If you can't feel anything at all, just place your hand on your stomach and just finding the rising and falling movement. So we are not breathing in any special way, not trying to change the rhythm of the breath. Again, the mind will probably wonder. As soon as you realize it has, just come back to the breath again. And just to help you maintain the focus on the breath, you're just gonna silently count the breath as they pass. So as you feel that rising sensation, you count 1. Falling sensation 2. and 3, and 4, just up to a count of 10. When you get to 10, just stopping there and starting again from 1. So just trying that a couple of times on your own now. So remember, it's normal for thoughts to arise. It's natural to get lost in that thinking. But as soon as you realize, just gently coming back to the breath again. So just enjoying having nothing to do. Just watching the natural rhythm of the breath. Realizing when the mind has wandered. And then just gently coming back to the breath each time. And then just for a moment now, I want you to let go of even any focus on the breath, allowing the mind to do whatever it wants to do. And just for a moment, allowing the mind to do whatever it wants to do. So if it's been wanting to think, just allowing the mind to think now. So just really nothing to do now. Just allowing the mind to be free. Just for a few seconds. And then just gently bringing the attention back to the body. Just starting to become a bit more aware of the physical sensations in the body again. Just coming back to that contact against the chair, the floor, the soles of the feet on the floor, or the hands or the arms on the legs. And just starting to notice the space around you again. Any sounds, any sensations. And in your own time, when you are ready, just gently opening the eyes again. Take a moment before you move. Have a stretch if you'd like to, and you can then just sit back in the chair. So how does it feel, having taken a few minutes out of the day? Does the body feel any different? Does the mind feel any different? Don't worry if there are still lots of thoughts running around. That's perfectly normal. Remember, it's a skill we are learning, and it takes a bit of time to master. But before you get up, just take a few moments just to appreciate that feeling. To really acknowledge what it's like to take some time out to allow the body and the mind to unwind. I hope you enjoyed this meditation session. Like I said previously, meditation is a skill and must be practiced daily. Repeat this meditation daily. Ideally first thing in the morning, before you start your day. But if you can't, try to squeeze it in at some point during the day. Do this for the next 7 days. Then after the 7 days, start the second part of the beginner's meditation course. There we expand on what you have learned here and take it to the next level. I look forward to seeing you back here soon. Love and light, beautiful soul.